covering the memorial service of the 90th anniversary of the Halifax Explosion.
Which the anniversary is today, right?
Anniversary is today, and believe it or not, still about 30 survivors come for it. And,
really? There's 30 survivors?
Yeah, believe it or not. And there'll be laying of wreaths, and the bells go. And
that's awesome. Did you know that there was one survivor who she was one of the ones that she survived the Titanic and the Halifax Explosion, and then she moved to Vancouver, which is where I'm from.
No, I did not know
yes,
that.
She lived on a Gulf island.
Really?
She did.
I didn't know that.
We remember the 2,000 lives lost. We remember the 9,000 injured. We also remember the 6,000 left homeless. We also remember that from that we grew in strength, and we grew as a strong community as we are today. We can never forget the past, but we also have to make sure that we plan for the future and that we all live together, strongly together, and make sure that we're there to help each other when the time is needed.
What's your name?
Okay, I'm Bev McDonald, and both my parents were in the survivors of the Halifax Explosion. My grandfather was actually killed. He was Captain John Blakeney. He was captain of the sugar refinery tugboat and was killed, we think, around the war. His body was never found.
Wow.
And his wife, his widow, lived on the Halifax Relief Commission stipend until she died in the 70s. Apparently his lunch pail is still in the house in McCarra Street, that he had forgot his lunch pail that day.
Wow.
And they've kept it all these years. So.
Now tell me who you are.
Colleen Wells Burgess.
And your sisters? And your uncle was the driver of the truck?
No, the driver of the first motorized fire engine, which was called the Patricia. He was the driver, and he was the sole survivor of the explosion.
So is he the guy that was blown out of his car with the steering wheel in his hand?
Yes,
there's a story about him, right?
Yeah.
So he's very famous.
Yes, that's unbelievable.
And is he the man that's having the street named after him?
Yes, part of the street will be renamed for him.
It's an honor to meet you.